Hi all, I'm Pihu Pant of grade 11 from GoldenBee Global with Vipya. On the 24th of February 1994, the Government of India concluded that the salt and excise tax had to be abolished due to the heavy tax burden that it imposed on the people. Central Excise Day is celebrated on the 24th of February each year to commemorate the passing of the Central Excise and Salt Tax in the year 1994 on the same day. It is celebrated to familiarize people with the duties and functions of the Central Excise officers and how they prevent smuggling in our country and contribute to our national income. 24th of February is celebrated by conducting workshops and seminars and other public events that make the citizens aware of the duties and responsibilities of the CBIC, or the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs. Now, the excise duty has been included in the Goods and Services Tax, or the GST, along with other indirect taxes. Excise duty is, however, still imposed on certain goods like alcohol, cigarettes, and defense goods.